Utillo Craft was kind enough to send me this set of acrylic paint markers, and it's an 8-pack of white markers. So let's open these up and give them a try and see how they work. Let's see what size they are, you know, like how thick they write, whether they're thin tip or thicker tip or combination. So the instructions on the back say, step 1, shake the marker, which is typical for acrylic type markers. Shake it up and down at least 20 times to mix the paint. Press the tip to release air pressure. Push tip down and up on a solid surface until paint flows, and paint by pressing lightly to avoid spattering or pooling. So this is, and then there are some tips down here. So let's give this a try. Let me have a little bit of trouble getting these out. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have a set of 8. These are a nice size. These are kind of on the small size, which I kind of like because these are easy to store. Let's see, this one is 0.7 millimeters, 0.7. So it looks like they're all the same size. Okay, and this is an extra fine tip. So let's try this one. Let's shake this up really good. So I use white pens all the time. I do watercoloring. I use white pens for highlights and adding details. I also like to draw and sketch with markers. Excuse me. And I often use white, or when I'm card making, I like a white pen so that I can draw on black or dark colored papers. So let's give this a try. There we go. And we're going to push this down until the ink starts to flow. This is a really nice set of 7, or a set of 8, I'm sorry. But that is a really nice set because I go through a lot of these, and my granddaughter also likes to write and draw, so I will probably share some of them with her as well. So there we go. They're starting to come out. Oh yeah, this works really well on black. You can see how dark that is. This is a really nice fine tip, and actually this is, I'm barely touching this to the paper, and you get a really thin line, or if you want to push down, you can get a little bit thicker line. Yeah, these work really, really well on dark colors. I love these. I'm going to love these for card making and adding details to my sketches.